kailangan ko bang pirmahan ang ITR ko bago i-submit for requirement purposes? The answer is yes, kailangan po may pirma ang ating ITR bago natin ito i-submit for whatever requirements purposes. Pag print out kasi natin using PDF printer sa EBIR software, wala pa po yung pangalan, wala pa pong pirma. So bago po natin ito i-submit, whether hard copy or soft copy, make sure po na napirmahan po natin ang ating income tax return.
You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.